What the fuck are we doing?
Orgy.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I am.
Sorry. Please continue.
I'm frightened. Thank fuck. Oh, that was a part and a half.
It's fighting a homeless man.
As a zoologist, I can conclude that this wild alien basil is beating the corpse of a rival male.
It's here! It's here! It's here!
How long has it been
Go in further! Go in further! We must escape through the sewer!
How do we do that?
Toilet!
I'm trying! I can't fit my face down here!
Flush
my
it!
Ass, my ass
Flush
is
it
so
and you'll
full.
spin! Flush it and you'll spin!
This is why it has no eyes.
Reload.
Or something like that.
It's going past us. It's going back into the toilet. It's Jack.
The wild alien basil commonly jack off to relieve stress. In pursuit of a mate with no luck, they will go find the bathroom and jerk off in it when they are unable to mate.
This is true. I studied them. Chocolate. Wash it. Oh, I don't have any water.
I slid down my throat real nice.
It's okay.
What?
It's okay. The chocolate bar brought my health back.
Jack off, they just throw it out the fucking window.
Yeah. Yeah. They wait until they can find some fresh herbs to clean off with.
Yeah,
To wipe off
some
on.
fresh herbs. Some fresh, they love their fresh herbs so much. I don't really know how it works.
Maybe it wasn't to his liking. Is your period not good enough?
Maybe it's not up to par? Alien basil lays eggs. They occasionally will use the warmth of a pad to heat up their eggs. The warm
The more
blood,
blood, the better.
warm blood heats up the eggs, keeps them warm in this harsh, cold environment.
Oh,
I wonder if they're religious.
Whoa. What's that up there? Do you think that's where it came from?
Yeah, maybe it's feeling nostalgic.
It's
Thinking
thinking
about
of its
home.
long lost mother.
Its long lost mother.
This is where it pirates movies in 4K.
Yes, that is true.
They only watch cultured shows like Breaking Bad.
Totally Breaking Bad.
You won't have any visual, but I will be safe in case of an attack. It's getting. Oh no.
He's doing it again.
He's in heat.
Thing like that. Said.
I don't know the language.
He's out there. He has been deterred. Oh,
He's
fuck.
walking on the pee. He overcame his allergy.
No, he really did overcame. No.
Is he drinking it?
He's toying with us.
He must have drank too much fruit juice. Take this on the house.
You want catnip? Shit, I forgot. This is no ordinary cat. This isn't even a cat. It's an alien basil, which is a wild creature.
Whoa, it's a wild one.
And why am I treating it like a cat? Usually when you
Is
treat
that a
things
worm
like
behind
cats, it
you?
works.
They love worms.
Do you think if I throw a ball, it'll chase? Hey, over here! Chase balls.
They do love balls. Let's
They
go.
do love they like to chase and retrieve balls.
Yeah, I'm coming back.
Marvin, what the fuck?
Sorry about
You
that.
learned so much
Sorry
about nature
that.
while you were gone.
Wait, Dalen, potential mate.
Wait,
Maybe this wild alien basil will
it's
finally
already
mate.
jacking off. It must have sensed the presence.
It's jacking up even harder. It's a sense of the potential mate. It's so turned on by the potential mate sense.
I've never seen a hand move so fast.
It's practically burning on fire. God, you're gonna rip it off at this point. Here.
We haven't missed on anything, have we? Oh, they still haven't connected.
The wild alien basil has found.
Wait. Oh, wait. What's happening?
The courtship ritual of the wild Marvin